My dear brother, my dear sister, welcome to Islam. Alhamdulillah, you've taken one of the most important and beautiful steps a human being can ever take. You've entered a way of life that connects you directly to the one who created you, Allah, the most merciful, the most loving. Becoming a Muslim marks the beginning of a new journey, one that fills your life with purpose and meaning. A journey of peace, purpose, and connection. You've chosen to submit your heart to the one who knows you best, who has always been there for you even before you knew his name. Maybe you're feeling a mix of emotions right now, excitement, peace, maybe even a little confusion or fear. That's okay. Every new beginning comes with questions, but remember this: Islam is not about being perfect from day one. It's about growing step by step, sincerely trying to please Allah. You've joined a family that stretches across every country, every language, and every background. Whether you are in a mosque full of people or praying alone in your room, you're part of the Ummah, the community of believers. And you're never truly alone. In Islam, the most important thing is your relationship with Allah. Talk to Him. Thank Him for guiding you. Ask Him for strength and clarity. Even if you don't yet know all the words in Arabic, Allah hears your heart before your tongue. Over the coming days and weeks, you'll learn how to pray, how to do wudu, how to understand the Quran, all at your own pace. Don't rush yourself. Islam is a simple religion to practice. And Allah is gentle with His servants. What matters most is that your heart remains sincere. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said that Islam wipes away all that came before it. That means every mistake, every sin from your past is forgiven. Today is a new beginning. Your soul is pure, like that of a newborn. May Allah strengthen you, guide you, and fill your heart with peace as you begin this beautiful journey.